Tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your business? Today, we're pitting Nimble CRM against GoHighLevel in a head-to-head battle to find the ultimate CRM for your business needs. First up, Nimble CRM shines with its intuitive contact management. Its smart contact profiles automatically pull in information from various sources, giving you a 360-degree view of your leads and customers. Nimble's strength lies in its simplicity and focus on relationship building. Now, let's look at GoHighLevel. Often called GHL, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform packing a powerful punch. It handles everything from sales and marketing automation to website building and appointment scheduling. GoHighLevel is a comprehensive solution that is perfect for agencies and businesses looking to consolidate their tools. When it comes to pricing, Nimble CRM offers straightforward subscription plans. Their pricing is generally more accessible for smaller businesses, especially if you're primarily focused on contact management and basic sales features. GoHighLevel's pricing structure is more complex. While it offers a more extensive suite of features, it can be a steeper investment. However, if you're replacing multiple tools with GoHighLevel, the cost savings can be significant. Remember to factor in the value of the features you will actually use. Both CRMs offer robust reporting capabilities, but Nimble stands out for its focus on social insights and relationship tracking. It helps you monitor your interactions and identify key influencers. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, provides more detailed marketing analytics and sales performance reports. You can track campaign effectiveness, conversion rates, and revenue generation all in one place. Now, the most important thing: which CRM is right for you. If you prioritize simplicity, relationship-focused contact management, and ease of use, Nimble CRM is a great choice. If you need an all-in-one platform with advanced marketing automation and sales tools, GoHighLevel is the better option. Choose wisely to optimize your customer engagement strategy.